Wha Gwann, everybody. Today I'm in West End Negril and I'm here to check out Murphy's. Murphy's has a whole heap of Jamaican food going on in there, whether it's curry goat, oxtail, lobster, fish. Done to order is all that he does. He has an exceptional menu that we're here to check out today. I'm going in there to try some level 5 spice jerk lobster.
Amount of pepper.
So I hear that the jerk lobster is simply amazing down here and we're here to check it out now. So this is Murphy's West End Negril. Welcome to Murphy's. So today we're trying the Spice 5 jerk lobster at Murphy's.
Welcome. Local restaurant.
Yes, man.
They have nothing hard, everything is clean.
Everything good.
It's a working kitchen.
Wow, yes sir.
And a spice that'll season.
I just the seasoning that and it start kick already, man. We can smell it. It start me almost sneak. See it there?
That's just the seasoning, man. Turn up spice.
So what kind of dishes you do?
Oh, you know, one menu out there, so
I saw the menu, but me did want you tell me because here.
There's so many things we can tell, so we do, but nothing for the menu.
Yeah.
So we have lobster, we have shrimp, the oxtail, we have goat, we have conch. When conch season about, we have everything as equal.
I hear everything is good here. A lot of my viewers have told me you have to come check out Murphy's anytime you come.
We do serve good food.
Yeah, man.
Good food.
Yeah, man. Good Jamaican food too.
It's a garlic butter with dry parsley.
Wow, this is garlic butter right there.
With dry parsley. Come on. Yeah. What about side chin?
Bammy. Look at that. I mean, the smells, the aroma starting to kick up already. You have that smell of the garlic, the seasoning that just went on is high potency. He said there's no peppers or anything hot in there as yet. We are at level 5, so it sounds like it's atomic. Look at that. Wow.
I was getting lobster.
Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I wish you guys could smell this. I mean, I've been in kitchens where the smell has been amazing, but the aromas and the fragrance coming off of this is some of my, it's so inviting. The smell of the lobster, the smell of the butter and the garlic. You just flip it now.
Yeah. So we just basically make a flat top, but make that one there, but you don't know, you need to cook for some, you can just hurry up and just
good man.
thing proper, eh?
Thing well proper.
After that, but you never use my best, so put him back down. Him back down. Put him back down.
Yes man.
Flat.
The fire, the smells, everything coming up, it's just really inviting.
Old school cooking and get here.
The real type.
Yeah man, welcome to a local restaurant, man.
Welcome to
a local restaurant.
Welcome to Murphy's.
Right. One rule we have here now, come hungry, leave full.
Yeah man.
Alright.
Just a little line blazing up. Yeah, so how long have you been doing this?
25 years of doing this, of cooking and running business. Yeah man. Work in the hotels then, but you know, you want wedding and you want to work out 100% and stop work for people and start working for myself, you know?
Were you able to season like this in the hotels?
Like this?
Yeah.
The same way.
Yeah?
And if, you know what I do, I bring my own seasoning to the hotel when I cook. So when they cook, it's a different thing when me cook.
So how people tell me now, say, the hotel them nowadays, they're not enough flavor, they're not enough taste.
No, because you see the chef them, when you get good chef to deal with, then you need the good chef them good. So a man just come here and cook because I work him have to work.
Yeah.
But when me cook now, after myself,
yeah,
that's my thing. So me have to take all Yes, man.
Put the love in it.
Yeah, man, we have to interest night, man. This is the kind of thing we have to cry night and do that, you know? Lightly. Get cry night, man. I can't just.
Yes, man. And what's that you're putting on now? The jerk seasoning?
Yeah, seasoning. Hold on, man. Alright, so make sure you have a sneeze on it, you know.
I sneeze now.
You have a sneeze on it.
Well, the wife there, as long as I don't sneeze 3 times, I'm good.
Right.
That's a red peppers.
Red pepper. Alright, then. So this is the problem started now. What I'm saying is, man. Alright.
The rookie them a cup. All when I use for the seasoning.
And the cough when you're ready, man. Yes, man. Oh, bad Jesus. That's all.
Yes.
No thing, man. Alright.
I trust you. I mean, can't talk. Trust me. Another other type of Jamaican smoke Wha Gwann in there. Are the good one. And they coming right off of the pot right now. He just put on that jerk seasoning, just smothered it all over it, added that level 5 spice that we ordered, and then turned it twice. And it's just a gas bomb that just went off in there, the amount of pepper. That it was kitchen a lock. Yeah, man. Woo!
Proper.
We have to exit. Yeah, man. So, whew, that's how it feels to be tear gassed, pretty much.
About the kitchen.
Yeah, man. The kitchen hot. I don't even taste the food yet. I tell you all the time, good food make you sweat. Not only when you're eating it, but when it's preparing too. But what? Oh man, that was like a bomb of flavor. Literally a flavor bomb just exploded in that kitchen. Once he put that jerk seasoning on it and smothered it all over, then he put the pepper on it, and once that pepper went on and he flipped it onto the fire to get some real char onto it.
Ready when you're ready.
Ready, I know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Hear that? I have to just cut it and head back in.
Yeah, man.
Got the whole place jumping. Thank you very much.
So you have a level of spice. If you either enjoy or you want to turn up a little hotter.
Yeah, man.
And the jerks are turn up a little further.
Yeah,
Yeah?
turn up the heat.
Yes, man.
But it can't hotter than the kitchen while ago.
Oh God, my kitchen is different, man.
Yeah, man, that did nice, man.
Alright, that's exactly.
Yeah, man. I'm incredibly excited to taste this, the level 5 spiced jerk lobster at Murphy's. I mean, the smells, the aroma, the heat, the fire, the dance of just melody and flavors that went on in the kitchen a while ago was totally amazing. And it really brought out something special. This is a jerk lobster. You can see where it's just has that char bits on it, and I always talk about my favorite parts of lobster when grilling or doing anything. All of that flavor that's been masked into that char that gives that pop of spice and that crunchy, flavorful taste and that exuberance of lobster flavor when you get it. I mean, that is what speaks wonders. Yeah, man. All of that pop, that spice and seasoning that went on to it, the flames that lifted up and flavored it, cooked perfectly. You can look at it and basically it just peels right off. Peel right off. I mean, level 5 spice is what we're here for. You know I don't shy away from the spices. And once you peel it out, look at that. Hot and rotted. They're on fire. That jerk sauce, the jerk flavors, the pepper on it, everything just kicks up and give you that nice bounce and that flavor. And you bite it, it's a Jamaica. This is Jamaican lobster. You know what I'm getting? There's a little acidic in there that came across when he put the orange onto it. So that orange just gives it a little acid that brings out a little melody. It's not like having the lime on it where it becomes almost a little bitter, but a little more sweet. Oh man. And you know it's good when you have Mandy coming to come try lobster.
Want to taste it? Alright. Thank you.
Off the bones. The heat.
Nice. It's spicy, man.
Using the red pepper, crushed red pepper, is what brings up the spice level onto it. It's not like the Scotch bonnet pepper where you cut it up, put the seeds on, and you get that heat with that little aroma and that little flavor of the sweetness from the Scotch bonnet pepper. This is more direct heat that you're getting into. Direct to the point, and doesn't mask any flavors, anything. It's just an intense burning flavor, not overpowering though. For level 5 spice, I can easily manage this. For rookies in the spice game, I suggest that you tone it down a little bit and then come to this level till you start sweating like me. Look at that, it peels right out of the shell. Everything comes out, nothing wasted. That meat is just right there for you to consume. Flavor, spice, heat, and the flame work, everything that was going on in the kitchen. Big up to Murphy, big up to the chefs, big up to everybody in the place. I mean, great stuff happening here at Murphy.
Thank you.
Tell me what you think.
It's nice.
It's just nice. It's nice. Nice.
I will be the first one to tell you that it's too hot, but I can manage it.
Yeah,
It's a good.
it's a
level of
nice
spice.
heat.
It's like
I mean,
not
it's
too much.
but you can add some more. There's a sauce here where you can dip it into the sauce right here, and that will add a little more heat apart from the red peppers that's in there. Sauce is sweet. The sauce has a nice condensation of heat in there. The Jamaican jerk flavors, getting a little pimento, getting a little heat from it. So it's adding heat onto those red peppers that were placed on top. So heat pan heat equal. Get all of that sauce on it. So we went for extra spice. Now we're just dipping that, soaking it all around, make every piece get a touch of that jerk sauce. So this is the level 5 spice that we're talking about, because he said it was level 5 before, and if I wanted more, just add it to it.
That's a lot.
This look good. Yeah, man. After dipping that and soaking it, basically giving it a bath, a proper soak in that jerk seasoning, that jerk sauce, where you see all of the spices starting to come out because we hit the bottom of it. But it just turns it into something else. It just reincarnates the lobster to something vibrant, something spicy, something Jamaican, something that's lush, mellow, sweet, lots of heat, and extremely flavorful. I can't get enough of the pepper that's on it, you know. I really appreciate that, just walking in, that she offered, first of all, tell me a spice level. Heard 5, that was it, man. That last piece was super spicy, but had a lot more of the orange onto it. I'm starting to taste all of that pepper now crunching up in my mouth. It added tremendous more spice to it, dipping it and soaking it in that jerk sauce. And for me, spice heaven, baby.
I know that this is problem, and I know that it would kill me. Kill me, but I can't resist. I'm falling, and I know that this will burn me, burn me, 'cause I'm playing with. Yeah, I'm playing with. Yeah, I realize that I will never learn, and I realize that I probably get burned 'cause I'm playing with.
Oh, that look like a dolphin that?
No, a snapper, sir.
Oh, a grey snapper.
Yeah. No, a red tail, this, sir.
A red tail?
Red tail in here.
Big.
Yeah, man. So what you do with that now?
I'm on excavate the swan lady, she's up on her way now.
Okay.
Family, so I'm going to take good care.
Yeah, man.
So I can feel this.
So basically, you can call in and order as well.
Yes.
Or you can come and sit down and dine.
But she come out all the way, so she's her mother,
Yeah.
and her father, and her in-law them. Because she have a young baby. Everybody are come right now. Family them are come. They just want the family style, no?
Nice.
So it's a family style.
Yeah, man. You just put it up, put everything on it and...
Put everything in that all leaf plate and then give them side plates differently.
So how long before that ready?
We have half an hour. So 20 minutes time we're ready.
That's the Esco Beach sauce I do it. Yes, Jaja. One is grilled and one is rare. Level 5 spice too.
One color upon the man. First they don't eat you, so first don't eat jerk after the second time. Sorry. Someone look at panyak no. Look at panyak kaya ga panyak. So what it was like usia naman. Nice. Golden brown. Yes, man. All right. Miss Lily. So Miss Lily. Miss Lily.
Murphy's is located on the west end of Negril. So you pass the lighthouse, you pass the tourist trap, that's Rick's Cafe, and come all the way down and you'll see Murphy's on the left hand side while heading further down towards west end. I'm going to put a link in the description for his Instagram, for the Facebook, and also the phone number so that you can call in and make your orders. I suggest you do if you're heading here. Nothing is done and put down, everything is done to order. So you need to come or place your orders if you don't want to, if you don't mind waiting for a little bit. The food does not take long though. I must say he was very on point, very quick in getting out that jerk lobster.
Bless Rock Kapash.
Respect our manners, Rock Kapash. Highly blessed.
You're the highest magnetic field, so learn that.
Give thanks. Alright.
And when you're west end, you're the lighthouse. When you're the lighthouse, you're the magnetic field.
Alright.
So anything you need, think positive and it comes.
Positive all we deal with.
Right, yes,
Yeah, man. Give thanks. Best up yourself and manners, brother. You see, say Jamaica nice, we just stand up and attack, and Rasta just come give you a positivity blessing just to show us that we're in the right place. The blessings are here. There's just nothing but positivity happening down in Western Negril.
Can you do it for me?
You want the master.
Wipe off your face a bit more.
What happened? Come on.